Hello guys, I'm Judy. By LED display, let you understand the screen at once. LED screen, according to the use of commonly used name, have a LED display, splicing screen, and a flexible screen, flower type screen, monochrome screen, and durable color screen. The names are not the same, but they all belong to the LED display, which can be wireless splicing. LED display indoor and outdoor, the biggest difference is brightness and water resistance. Where a flexible screen can be bent arbitrarily and is ultra-flexible, ultra-thin, suitable for wall hanging. And a transparent screen highlights transformation effect, easy maintenance, and simple and controllable operation. The flower type screen have a high stability, good capacity, and waterproof and moisture-proof, high brightness, gorgeous color, realistic effect. And different LED display specific uses and usage scenarios are different. So must be based on their own budget to make choices. So do not blending to compare other prices. So please contact me for more information. So see you next video. Bye bye.